Hello, my name is Aditi Ramesh Jadhav. I am from 26 Feb batch. My today's subject is constructor. A constructor is a block of code similar to the method. A constructor is used to create a class at the time of the constructor calling. Memory for the object is allocated in a memory. A constructor is a special type of a method which can be used for create a instance of the sorry it is used for the initialize the operate object. When an object is created when an object is created with using new keyword. The constructor is called once. There are some rules for the constructor. The constructor name must be same as a class name. Class name within which is not needed not defined which is not defined to necessary for the created a class. The constructor cannot be and in a program there is a void return type, which is a not return any value. Like this constructor is also not return any value. The constructor cannot be abstract, final, static or synchronized, because of final method is a cannot be changed when it is a declared when it is an declared. So that cannot be used in a constructor. Static method cannot access the non-static method. So this also not used in a constructor. Not used in a constructor. Uh, constructor is a called constructor is a called constructor is called only once at the time of the object is called. Constructor access modifiers can be used with a constructor. There is three types of the constructor: parameterized constructor, default constructor, or the copy constructor. Parameterized constructor means we can pass the parameter or argument with an constructor. The copy constructor cannot be used. The copy constructor cannot be used in a Java. And the default constructor means there is a no needed to declare a constructor. There is a default constructor. So this is all about the constructor in Java. Thank you.